Okay, I'm back and I've got the elevator and the rudder arms in place. The picture on page 11 of the manual shows that they're both pointing to the right side of the airplane here. And so I just put them that way. According to the manual, that looks right because that's where the tubes are located. So let's start with the rudder. If I push the rudder stick to the right, then that is going up. Okay, so if I hold the rudder up here, and that rudder is going to the control horn is on the left side here. So if it's going to the right, if I want the airplane to turn to the right, I want this to go this way. So if I push to the right, that means that arm is pulling the push rod in toward the center of the airplane and making it going this way. So I'm going to go into the function list, go to servo settings, go down to where it says travel, click it, and roll till I get to where it says reverse. Click that, slide over to where it says rudder, and click that once. And now if I push the rudder to the right, this goes toward the back of the airplane. If that goes to the back of the airplane, then that pushes the push rod out toward the tail of the airplane, and that'll push the rudder this way to the right. So we have to reverse the rudder. That's the rudder. Okay, so the elevator control horn is on the bottom of the elevator, comes out the bottom through the back end of the airplane, out the bottom. So I want the elevator, if I want to pull it back to go up, for the airplane to go up, this has to go this way toward the up side. All right, which means that the push rod has to come out if I pull this back, and that's reversed. So I'll go into the elevator and do the same thing here. I'm going to reverse the elevator, and now if I pull back on the elevator, the push rod is going out toward the back end of the airplane, and that'll push this elevator up like that. Okay, so those should be in the correct direction. Guess what? If they're not, I can switch them again, but I'm pretty sure that's right. So the throttle is going this way. The rudder is going right. The aileron's going right. The elevator's going right. Correct. Okay, so looks like everything is tested. All the wiring works. All the control arms are in place, and a bit of programming to make them go in the right direction. So thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next video.